We hosted the Toronto Facebook Developer Garage in 2007. So there were 34 million users on Facebook at the time. Now we've gone up 15 times that amount. And if we look at it as a pie chart, you can see over 70% is outside of the US. Zooming in just to the US, we can see, and this is a little bit surprising, that there are slightly more females than males on Facebook. And when we look at the demographics, this would be shocking if we could have projected this 3 years ago. Facebook surpassed Google. Was it a month or two ago when Facebook became the most popular website? 9.82% of all web traffic compared to 7.37. And according to ComScore, half of the top 100 websites have already integrated with Facebook. Last slide, around interactions. There are almost 1 billion objects being interacted with. The average non-friend connection, so connections to pages or groups or events, is 80 per user, and there are over 30 billion pieces of content being shared per month. So any application that you're building, if you can look at these demographics and figure out how to succeed in the current framework, then you'll be ahead of most other developers.
I touched on the Open Graph, and basically we rewrote all of our APIs. Super simple now. I talked about OAuth 2, so that's basically simplified authorization and authentication for users. I talked about search, so you can pull status updates from users or for users that have set them to everyone, and showed you some examples like the New York Times and the World Cup visualization. I talked about insights and how you can pull that information and basically the main features that you can base business decisions off of. I talked about social plugins, how the like button works, how you implement it, how recommendations and recent activity work. And finally, I talked about places, and again, places is pretty early.